Do you want to look super psyched like a street baller from the And One era? Maybe get featured on Overtime? The nutmeg is a move you need to learn. Namaskara machas. Welcome to Cool Sauce's Street Ball session where we break down moves from a different point of view. Damn, once this move from my one-on-one challenge got featured on Overtime, I was like, I have to make a breakdown machas. So there is a lot of technique, a lot of strategy behind this move. If you do it wrong, you're definitely going to lose the ball. So we're going to show you first when you can do the nutmeg. So let's say when you're out here, the defender must be playing close to you, one arm distance or less. And there should be space behind your defender. The nutmeg is most easy to do when your defender is also playing slant, like they're forcing you either right or left. If they're not doing that, you can turn either one way or you can turn the other way. Or you can do a few moves to make them turn. Basically, there should be a 45 degrees between how you're standing and how the defender is standing. So that, once you do the nutmeg, you can easily get the ball back. The nutmeg works best on a bigger defender, but you can do it on a smaller defender as well. Depends on how you do it. Okay, now we've understood when to do the move. Let's get into how to do the move. So, step 1 is here. You don't want to directly go into a nutmeg because that a defender will see coming. You first want to do like 2-3 other dribble moves before you go into the nutmeg. Also use these moves as a chance to get that 45-degree angle we talked about, either by turning your defender or by turning yourself. And make sure when you're doing this, don't look in between their legs. That's going to make it obvious. Do 2-3 moves, and then you end with either short fake or somewhat rise up. That'll get the defender also standing up slightly off guard, and then you put it through. Or the other thing you can do is go backwards slightly and then go into the nutmeg. Now we'll show both of these. Don't mind that. Oh, and this doesn't have to be off the dribble. You can also do this off the triple threat. Just replace dribble moves with jab steps. Same principles work. So over here, of course, you can't go backward. There'll be a travel. I usually just like to use a pump fake before going through. Okay, now you've given 2-3 moves. How do you put the ball through their legs actually? That also you can't just do any random way. For this, you should either keep the ball low or you should bounce it quite hard. What I generally like to do for the nutmeg is keep it low. Let the ball bounce like twice, then get it back. This way it'll stay out of a defender's reach. And as a shorter player, it makes it easier for me to reach the ball because I'm lower to the ground. But if you want to, let's say, pull back and all that, it's better you bounce it hard so that it comes enough in your hand to do whatever, like this, like that. You can do this off various moves, whether you want to throw it simply like this, you want to sham guard it, you want to go inside out through their legs, you want to go behind the back into a nutmeg. You have plenty of options. Just one thing be careful of, don't carry the ball while you're at it. Or go ahead and do a carry. It makes things much more effective, but just make sure you don't get called for it. Okay, now we've got the ball through the defender's legs. But it doesn't mean anything if you can't get the ball back, right? This isn't a nutmeg challenge where just throwing the ball through their legs is enough. So here are... Okay, thank you, man. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, where were we? Now we've thrown the ball through the opponent's legs. It's important to also get it back. And trust me, this is easier said than done. So here are a few things you need to keep in mind. Usually, once you do the nutmeg, a defender is going to try reaching for the ball. They're going to try getting it. Or they're going to try holding you back. So you need to be physical and use your off arm, push their hand away so that you can get the ball back. One more thing which will help is lean forward through all of this. So this way you will be able to move forward quickly and your hands will be lower to the ground so you can get the ball also quicker. The nutmeg is definitely a swag move, but that's not it. Sometimes it can actually be the quickest, the safest option, and that's why it's one of my favorite moves. So many ways you can do it, so many options to go into from it. So go out to the park, try it out, keep improving step by step and psych some defenders. Subscribe and turn on all notifications because I am here to break down so many more street ball moves for all you machas.